John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you have a creative mind right now, I think this lesson is going to be a fun one. Why? Because I made a little cartoon monster. So what can you do? Create your own monster just like I did? Absolutely. So if you got your creative pencil and you have your paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what do you think I'm going to say on this? How do you take home from this lesson? Of course, use your imagination. This little monster here, create anything that you can imagine. Pull some pieces of characters from here and there and just make it up out of your imagination, out of your mind, which would be awesome. Anyways, so I want to say thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.